Good morning children. Welcome back to Maths class. In the last class, we discussed some trigonometric ratios of specific angles. For 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. These are the values. So now we will start the exercise. Exercise 11.2, first question. First question is sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. Sin 30 cos 60. So to find the value or evaluate, we will substitute the value. Sin 60, it is root 3 by 2 into cos 30, again root 3 by 2. So here sin 60 and cos 30 are same. Same way sin 30 and cos 60 are same. See, half, both are half. Here it is root 3 by 2. Sin 45 and cos 45 both are 1 by root 2. Plus sin 30, it is 1 by 2 into cos 60 is also 1 by 2. When you multiply two fractions, numerator will multiply. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 2 into 2, 4. Plus 1 into 1, 1 by 4. So 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 1. Now, next question. Second question. 2 tan square 45. 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60 is equal to 2 tan square 45. As I told you the previous class, tan 45 is 1, so tan square 45 is 1 square plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So cos square 30 is root 3 by 2 the whole square minus sin 60 is also root 3 by 2 the whole square. So here 2 into 1 square, it is 2 plus directly we can cancel, otherwise square it. Root 3 square is 3, 2 square is 4, 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Otherwise directly we can cancel it and we will get the answer 2. Now we'll see the third question. Third question is cos 45 by sec 30 plus cosec 30. Cos 45, sin 45 and cos 45 are 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 divided by sec 30. To find sec 30, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So reciprocal is 2 by root 3 plus cosec 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So cosec 30 is reciprocal of 1 by 2. It is 2. So here numerator also fraction, denominator a fraction plus a whole number. So now in the denominator we will take LCM first. 1 by root 2 we will write as it is. Denominator, while adding 2 by root 3 plus 2 we will take LCM root 3. So we will write 2 as it is. 2 into root 3. 2 root 3 we will write. Now both are fraction. Numerator is a fraction. Denominator is a fraction. Will cross reciprocal we will multiply. That is 1 by root 2 into root 3 will go to the numerator. Here you will get 2 plus 2 root 3 you will get. So 1 by root 2 into denominator reciprocal root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. Now we will write 1 numerator into numerator 1 into root 3 divided by root 2 into 2 plus 2 root 3. So we will multiply root 2 into 2 root 2 plus 2 root 3 into root 2. 2 is a whole number, we will write as it is. Root 2 and root 3 when you multiply, we will get root 6. Once again I repeat. 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. Numerator when you multiply, 1 into root 3 is root 3. Denominator, first term is a monomial, second term is a binomial. So monomial into binomial, root 2 into 2, 2 root 2. Root 2 into 2 root 3, 2 root 6. Now as the denominator is a third, we have to rationalize this. Once you are getting the denominator as a third, we will rationalize. Last year we learned that how to rationalize the denominator. What is the conjugate or rationalizing factor of 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. It is 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. We have to multiply and divide with the conjugate of the denominator or the rationalizing factor of the denominator. So in the numerator, root 3 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. Denominator is a plus b into a minus b formula. Whenever we will rationalize a binomial, denominator will be always in the form a plus b into a minus b. So a square, a is 2 root 2, so a square minus b is 2 root 6, so b square we will write. Now the numerator, I will multiply root 3 into 2 root 2, it is 2 root 6 minus here 2 root 6 into root 3, root 18 we will get. Now denominator 2 root 2 square. 2 square is 4 and root 2 square is 2 minus again 2 square is 4, root 6 square is 6. So we are getting 2 root 6 minus 2 root 6 minus, see here we have 2 root 18. 18 we can simplify. 6 why I didn't factorize, because 6 if we factorize we are getting only 2 into 3. From 2 and 3 we cannot take any common number, that's why root 6 as it is. But root 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18. So from these two similar number we can take one number out. So I have factorized that. Now here it is 8 minus 24. So we will get 2 root 6 minus, here 1 3 we will take it outside. So 3 into 2 root 2 by 8 minus 24. It is minus 16 we will get. Now here 2 and here 2, 2 we will take common. Root 6 minus 3 root 2 by minus 16. Now we will cancel 2 and minus 16, we will get 8. So we are getting root 6 minus 3 root 2 by 3 root 2 by minus 8 you will get. If you want to change the denominator sign, that is negative sign if you don't want, we wanted to give it to the numerator, we will distribute this sign for both the numbers. That is, each term we will divide by this minus sign. So plus is root 6 is plus by minus it is minus, or plus into minus is minus root 6 minus divided by minus it is plus 3 root 2 divided by 8. What I did is just given this minus sign to these two terms, distributed minus into plus minus into minus plus, so that the denominator will become positive. Now once again if you write, we can write 3 root 2 minus root 6. Just I arranged first positive and next the minus term and root. So this is the final answer. So next question, sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 by sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. So we will substitute each value. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, tan 45 is 1 minus cos 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2, so cos 60 is 2 by root 3 divided by sec 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2, so sec 30 is 2 by root 3. Cos 60, it is sin 60 1 by 2 and cot 45 is 1. So here 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 by root 3 by 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Yes. Now we will take LCM. Here 2 is the denominator for here and here root 3. So 2 into root 3, 2 root 3 is the LCM. So as 2 is here, 2 root 3 by 2 we will get root 3. That is, which is the extra term here, it is root 3. Root 3 into 1, numerator you have to multiply. So if you want, you will write 1 into root 3 plus, here as there is no denominator, we will multiply full 2 root 3 to 1. So 1 into 2 root 3 minus, here root 3 is there, the extra term is 2, so 2 into 2 divided by, the same way we have 2 by root 3. Same way we have to take LCM, 2 root 3 is the LCM. Here root 3 is there, extra number is 2, 2 into 2, 4 plus here 2 is there, root 3 into 1, 2 into 2, here 1 into root 3 plus here 1 into 2 root 3. So all the number we multiplied. Denominator we will cancel. Remaining we will get root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 divided by 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. So once again when we simplify we will get 3 root 3 minus 4 by, I will write this first, root 3, 2 root 3 plus root 3, it is 3 root 3 plus 4. So we got root 3 plus 2 root 3, 3 root 3 minus 4 as it is. Again root 3 plus 2 root 3, 3 root 3 plus 4. So here again the denominator is a irrational number. We will multiply with the conjugate. The conjugate is 3 root 3 minus 4. So multiply the numerator and denominator with the conjugate. So we will get numerator a minus b into a minus b formula we will apply. A minus b the whole square. Otherwise you have to do binomial multiplication. Denominator again a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. Now we will see a minus b the whole square. So we will write 3 root 3 the whole square, a square minus 2ab. 2 into 3 root 3 into 4 plus b square is 4 square. Denominator is 3 square is 9, root 3 square is 3, 4 square is 60. Now what is 3 square? 9. Again root 3 square is 3. Same thing. 9 into 3 I will write 27 minus. Here 4 into 2 8. 8 into 3 24 root 3 plus 16 4 square divided by 27 minus 16. Now we will add it. 27 plus 16 we will add. 7 plus 6 13. Remainder 1. 2 plus 1 3 plus 4 minus 24 root 3 divided by 27 minus 16. It is 7 minus 6 1. 2 minus 1 1 11. So the answer is 43 minus 24 root 3 by 11, and the 11 is denominator is a rational number. Fifth question. 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus tan square 45 by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. So here 5 into cos 60. Cos 60 1 by 2. So cos square 60 is 1 by 2 the whole square plus 4 into sec square 30. It is 2 by root 3 the whole square. 2 by root 3 the whole square minus tan 45 is 1. So 1 square divided by sin 30 is 1 by 2 the whole square plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 the whole square. Now equals 5 into 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 plus 4 into 2 by root 3 square is 4 by 3 minus 1 divided by 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 square is 3 by 4. So denominator 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 becomes 1. So this denominator part we can avoid, no need to write. Numerator is 5 into 1 by 4 is 5 by 4 plus 4 into 4 by 3 is 16 by 3 minus 1. Denominator I am not writing because 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is 1. Now here LCM we will take 4 and 3 are the numbers. So 4 into 3, 12 is the LCM. 4 into 3 is 12. So 3 into 5 plus 3 into 4 is 12. So 4 into 16 minus, here no denominator. So 12 we have to multiply with the numerator. 1 into 12. So here we will get 3 into 5, 15 plus 16 into 4, 64 minus 12 divided by 12. So first we will add it. 5 plus 4, 9, 6 plus 1, 7. 79 minus 12 by 12. Don't cancel like this 12 and 12. We have to subtract. 9 minus 7, sorry, 9 minus 2, 7. 7 minus 1, 6. 67 by 12. Or if you want, you can divide and write it as a mixed fraction. Next sum is, choose the correct option and justify your choice. Here, there are 4 sums. Each question, they have given you choice. So first we will see the answer, find out the answer and select the choice according to this answer. So here the question is, 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30. So first we will solve it. What is the value of this? We will find out. 2 into tan 30 is 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus tan 30 again 1 by root 3. The whole square we will write. So we will get 2 into 1, 2. So 2 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 square is 1, root 3 square is 3. So here 2 by root 3 divided by, we have to take LCM. 3 is the LCM. 3 ones are 3. So 3 plus 1. 1 into 3, 3 and plus 1 as it is you write. Now we will take the reciprocal of the denominator. That is 3 will go to the numerator. 3 plus 1 you have to write 4. Don't cancel like this because it's a binomial. Add it. 3 plus 1, 4 by 3 you will get. When you take the reciprocal, it will become 3 by 4. Now, how to cancel this? Here directly we can cancel 2 and 4. We will get 2. How can we cancel root 3 and 3? So that I will write once again. 1, no need, I am not writing. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. We know root 3 into root 3 is 3. By this root 3 into 2. So here itself if you want you can cancel and write root 3. So here I am just showing you 3 is root 3 into root 3 by root 3 into 2. So 1 root 3 will cancel. We'll get answer root 3 by 2. Now when we solve this question we got root 3 by 2. The options are sin 60, cos 60, tan 60 and sin 30. So which value of in this have root 3 by 2? Sin 60, it is root 3 by 2. So the option is, answer is equals sin 60 and which option is correct? Option A is correct. This is the answer. So 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 30 equals sin 60. Second question. 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45 is equal to. So we will write 1 minus tan 45 is 1. So 1 square by 1 plus again 1 square equals 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1. It is 0 by 2. It is 0. So 0 is the answer we got. We'll see the option. Option A is tan 90. Tan 90 is not defined. So that will not match. The next one is 1. It is not correct. Again sin 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. That is also not correct. So the last option D is correct. D is 0. So answer is D. Now we will see the third question. Third question is sin 2a. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. 2 sin a. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is true when a is how much? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. Had given 4 options. We'll check it. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. Which answer is correct? Here the options they had given 0 degree. I'll write the option. One is 0 degree. Next 30 degree. 45 degree and 60 degree. 45 degree and 60 degree. So here directly we cannot tell what is the correct answer. We'll check it one by one. First we will take 0 degree. That is instead of a we will write 0 degree. That is sin 2a means 2 into a. So 2 into 0 is equal to 2 sin 0. Instead of a you have to write 0. Sin 2 into 0 is 0. Here again 2 sin 0. What is sin 0? Sin 0 is 0. So I will directly write sin 0 as 0. Again sin 0 0. 2 into 0 0. So 0 is equal to 0. LHS is equal to RHS. So which option is correct? Option A is correct. Option A 0 degree is correct. That is when sin 0 degree is equal to 2 sin 0 degree. Fourth question. 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30. So we'll see the answer. Equals 2 tan 30 is 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus. Again tan 30 is 1 by root 3. The whole square we will write. 2 into 1 by root 3. 2 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3. The whole square is 1 by 3. Equals 2 by root 3 divided by LCM. 3 is the LCM. 3 ones are 3 minus 1. So again we will get 2 by root 3 divided by 2 by 3 we will get. I'll take the reciprocal. 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel. As I told you in the previous question, root 3 into root 3 is 3. So directly I cancel. So 2 and 2 cancel. So denominator is 1. Root 3 and 3 cancel. Finally we will get root 3 by 1. That is nothing but root 3. So now we will see the options. The options are cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. It is not correct. Next sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. That is also not correct. Next one is tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3. So answer is option C. Tan 60. Option C is correct. Third question. If tan a plus b equals root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, where 0 degree less than angle a plus b less than 90 degree and a greater than b, find a and b. So here tan a plus b value and tan a minus value is given, and they had given the condition a plus b angle, that is whatever we will write after the trigonometric value, that is angle or the degree, that is a plus b. This angle will be in between 0 degree and 90 degree. 0 degree less than a plus b less than or equal to 90 degree. It can be till 90 degree and between 0 to 90. And a greater than b. The value of a will be more than the value of b. And we have to find a and b. So here what we will do is, first we will write first equation, tan a plus b is equal to root 3. Next we will see tan a plus b is equal to which tan value has root 3. Tan 60 is root 3. So instead of root 3 we will write tan 60. Not simply 60, you have to write tan 60 degree. Because tan 60 degree is root 3. So now both the side it is tan. So we will avoid this tan part and we will write a plus b is equal to 60 and we will write it as equation 1. So like this question, we have to write the first equation and see that the value is for which degree of tan. So tan 60 is root 3. So we will write tan 60. Both the side tan. So we will write a plus b is 60. Similarly, second equation, tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan a minus b is equal to tan 30. So we can write a minus b is equal to 30, equation 2. So now we have two equations in two variables. We will do elimination method and we will find the value of a and b. So first equation, a plus b is 60. Second equation, a minus b is 30. And we will add or subtract, anything you can do. We will add this equation, a plus a, 2a, b and minus b will cancel, is 90. A is 90 by 2, 45 degree. So the value of a is 45. To find the value of b, substitute the value of a in any one of the equation. So a plus b is 60, 45 plus b is 60. Therefore, b is equal to 60 minus 45, it is 50. 15 degree we got. So the value of a is 45 degree and value of b is 15 degree. Value of a is greater than value of b and both the values like sum of a plus b lie between 0 to 90 degree. A plus b we got 60. Next question is, state whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. The first question is, sin a plus b equals sin a plus sin b. Sin a plus b is equal to sin a plus sin b. Is it true or false? We have to justify our answer. We have to say the reason why it is true or why it is false. So here a and b can be any number. We will take any one specific value from here which we have know the value. So a I will take 30 degree and b I will take 60 degree. Anything you can take. So I will write sin, here I will get 30 and b as I will take 60. So that here I can write sin a 30 plus sin b I will write sin 60. So now we know sin, this in bracket 30 plus 60 is 90. Here I will write as it is sin 30 plus sin 60 I will write as it is. Now you see here sin 90 it is 1. equals sine 30, it is 1 by 2, and sine 60, it is root 3 by 2. So when you add these two, we will get 1 plus root 3. Whether 1 is equal to 1 plus root 3 by 2? No, 1 is not equal to 1 plus root 3 by 2. So sin A plus B is not equal to sin A plus sin B, or it is false. This statement is false. So according to this, we can take 0 plus 30. If you take also, we can do. We will get totally 30. Whichever values are here in this table, according to that, we can take the value for A. The second question is, the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. The value of theta increases as theta increases. Yes. Here the theta value is increasing from 0 degree to 90 degree. Then the value of sin, whether it is increasing or not, from 0 to 1 it is increasing. So the value of sin theta will increase from 0 to 1 as the value of theta increases from 0 degree to 90 degree. So the second answer is true. Now we'll see the third one. That justify the answer, we can see the table as the value is increased, theta value is increasing, sin theta value is also increasing. Next question. The value of cos theta increases as theta increases. The value of theta, cos theta increases as theta increases. As theta increases, whether cos theta value is increasing or not? No. So this is false. Next question is, sin theta equals cos theta for all the values of theta. For all the values of theta, sin theta is equal to cos theta. Is it true? Sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. Are they equal? No. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. It is not equal. Only for 45 degree, both the values are equal. Other values it is not equal. So here they said sin theta equals cos theta for all the values of theta. It is false. Next question is, cot A is not defined for A equals 0 degree. Cot A is not defined for A equals 0 degree. Cot 0 is not defined. So it is true. I hope you are familiarized with these values. Keep revising these sums, then you will remember all these values. Thank you.